What we study for the English? You sent a worksheet?
Muhammad, Salaam alaikum. Can you hear me?
Yes, ya Mr. Wa alaikum assalam.
Yes, Ramadan Kareem. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, ya Mr.
Okay, good.
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, ya Mr.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Now, ya
Okay.
Mr. Abdullah will come, let him in.
Yes, sorry.
Abdullah, let him in. He come.
Mhm.
Him
Okay.
and Jasser.
He will. I will come to know when they will come into the waiting
Okay.
room. Then I will admit them.
Okay.
Anyhow, as you are aware that we are going to have exams, it's a kind of evaluation. Okay. So for that reason,
Yes.
uh, we are having. I think so. We don't have class tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Yeah. So in this week we have to finish all these revision worksheets because all topics I have already discussed with you. And don't worry, again I'm repeating, don't worry about that. That would be that evaluation. It would be just, you can say, take as a fun. Okay,
Yes, yes.
you just have to be to choose some questions, like you just have to sit online and the answers just on the click of your mouse. You just have to choose the answers only. Okay, fill in the blanks, maybe match the column, multiple choice. Okay, so not
Okay,
more
but
than that, not more than that.
from where we study the final?
From here, the revision worksheet. What is the reason of teaching you these revision worksheets, Muhammad?
Okay, it's in the OBS, yes? In the OBS
I will
application.
send you through email as well, okay? And it is also
Okay, okay.
uploaded in the Office system, okay? Uploaded in the
Okay.
Office as well. So don't worry about it, okay? The
Okay.
topics would be related to these revision worksheets, okay? Maybe sentences, maybe for example, the comprehension may be different, okay? Not not the same, okay? Maybe the comprehension, if there comes the comprehension, maybe not the same comprehension, but as you know what to do in comprehension, you just have to read and answer the question. Yeah,
Yes, yeah.
so it's easy. Don't worry about it. Maybe there are participles, so the exercises would be same. How to make the participle by adding ing or ed, something like that. Okay. So the things will would be related. No, maybe not the same sentences. Okay, but the idea would be same. You got me? What I'm saying, Muhammad? You got my idea? What I'm saying? So, uh,
Good evening, Mr.
yes, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Good morning.
Ramadan Kareem, it's good afternoon, not good morning.
Okay.
Yeah, it's afternoon. After 12 o'clock, we say afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? Good?
What?
I'm saying, how are you? Means, how are you?
Fine. Fine.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Good to hear about this. Anyhow, I was discussing with Muhammad Al Ashram, and I was telling him that uh, the evaluation or the evaluation quiz, or you can say that evaluation exam would be from these revision worksheets. Uh, what we have learned in the previous, the topics would be same. Okay, as I
Okay.
have already uploaded and I have already shared the portion also with you. Have you gone through the
Yes.
portion, guys? I have.
Yes.
So don't
The
worry.
portion of
Yes, those
when
that
is the quizzes? When?
no, not only the casual, when the quiz, also the syllabus. The portion means syllabus. Okay, exam portion means
No, I don't
which
see
are
it,
the
Mr.
topics. I have sent through email. Check your emails. Okay.
Okay. Today I will check.
So and even I have sent in the group as well.
Okay. Yes. I will
Yes.
see.
So please go through. Anyhow, let's come to the revision worksheet 2, and we have to, uh, in this week, the topics are easy as I have already discussed with you in the classroom as well. Okay. So this is, we will start from this. Read the passage and answer the following question. So it's a comprehension. Okay. So let's start reading, and boys, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, okay, I will send you a link to a quiz that how can the final exam would be, okay? So it will
Okay,
give you an
يعني
idea. It would give you a practice, okay? Don't worry about it. It would be,
يعني we will make the quiz. We will make it.
yeah, yeah. I will make
Okay.
the quiz and I will send you the link, and then you have to register yourself. You have to write your first name, your email, or maybe your last name, and then you would register, okay? And then
Inshallah.
you know what is the reason of sending that quiz? That so that you would be
To
acquainted with how the exam, the final
yes,
evaluation
to know
exam would.
how it will come.
Yeah, yeah. So it will give you a practice or it will give you an idea.
السلام
Okay.
عليكم.
Walaikum assalam.
Salam.
So we don't have class tomorrow. So I would try to send you tomorrow. Okay.
Inshallah.
Yes, I would send the link in the group. So what you have to do when you press that link, okay, when you will open that link, it will take you to a registration part. Okay, you will register yourself, and then there would be a quiz in front of you, and that quiz a kind of practice. Don't take it that the marks are not important. The important part is the practice. Okay, so you will go through that quiz. You will attempt that quiz, that how to answer those questions in the final evaluation exam, how it would be. Okay, so this would give you an idea. Okay, okay, bye. So tomorrow I will share the link with you, and you have to solve. And whoever will attempt that quiz, I will come to know, and then later on I would share the result also with you. Okay. But the basic thing is not the basic thing is not about marks. The basic
Yes.
point is to give you a practice, okay, so that you can get the whole idea. That's it.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, and don't take it too much on your that, oh, how it would be. Don't worry about it. As I have already told you, the exam,
It will be easy.
yes, the exam would be easy. Okay, please don't
أنت
keep
ادخل يا عم.
please don't keep your cell phones close to the mic. Okay.
أنا داخل.
Anyhow, don't take anybody's name. Anyhow, listen what I was saying. Yeah, don't take it too much. Okay, don't take too much pressure that how it would be. You don't have to write so much like you were having in your previous exam. Okay, no. In this
No,
in
Mr.
this case, this is an online exam. So in online exam, you just have to means answer multiple choice questions, maybe fill in the blanks, maybe matching columns. Okay, with the for example, there would be meaning words and their meaning, column A and column B. And then in the column C, you have to write the correct number.
Mr. What? Yeah, Mr. Maybe, yeah, Mr. There's some people will cheat, yeah, Mr.
No,
It's
no,
easy.
nobody
It's
can cheat.
easy.
Nobody can cheat. How would, no, nobody can cheat. Okay.
No,
Uh,
Mr. There's people, they love to cheat, yeah, Mr.
anyhow, it's okay if they. Then what is the reason? Okay, they would not get that satisfaction that I, yes, I have done by myself. Who is playing with the mic? Stop playing with the mic.
Not me. Amr, I think.
Okay, fine. So let's start. All the points clear to you, all of you?
Yes.
Let me check who is there. Okay, Muhammad is saying yes. Amr, is that clear to you?
Yes.
Abdullah?
Yes.
Okay.
Abdullah, talk to Jasper, let him come.
Okay, so this is a reading comprehension. Okay, read the passage and answer the following questions. Okay, okay, Muhammad, start reading T-shirts in style.
If you are like most Americans, you love to wear t-shirt today. Men can be considered stylishly dressed wearing the right t-shirt under a sport coat instead of traditional dress shirt and tie. Under t-shirts for the American male did not look like the t-shirt we know today until after the First World War, 1914 and 1918.
Yeah.
I can't see. You are going down.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah. Carry on.
Uh, During World War
One.
One, American soldiers were wearing old-fashioned woolen and uniform.
Uniform.
Uniform. No.
Yeah.
During the summer, while European soldiers wore cotton undershirts that were
Significantly.
significantly cooler.
Yeah.
During the 1920, the word T-shirt was added to the American dictionary by the Second World War.
Mm-hmm.
Both the U.S. Army and the U.S. Navy were issue white cotton
Mm-hmm.
T-shirt as standard underwear.
Mm-hmm.
The T-shirt was considered
Solely. Solely.
solely
Yeah.
as underwear until the 1950s. In those days, even the word underwear was never mentioned in a polite company.
Mm-hmm.
So it was quite
Underwear
shocking.
means that we wear something under our shirt. Okay. If we wear
Okay.
something under our shirt, for example, I'm wearing uh, something kind of a t-shirt, and then I am wearing another shirt. Okay, so the thing that I'm wearing under it would be an underwear. Okay,
Okay.
so that's the main point of word here. Okay, in those days, even the word underwear was never mentioned in flight company, so it was quite shocking to see 1950s screen legends such as Marlon Brando and James Dean wearing just a t-shirt. Okay, but by 1955 it became socially acceptable for a young man to wear just a t-shirt without a regular shirt covering it. James Dean made this style cool for teenage males according to the United States. Today the t-shirt is part of the American way of life. People wear a t-shirt that promotes their favorite rock band or sports team. Americans wear a T-shirt advertising a place where they have visited. T-shirts with the image of every Disney character are worn by children of all ages. In fact, you can find a T-shirt with every cartoon character that ever graced the screen on a T-shirt somewhere. So it's about the history of T-shirt, that how Americans started wearing T-shirts. Okay, who were the people who introduced the idea of wearing T-shirts? Okay, okay, boys. So,
Okay.
what war influenced the style of for underwear for American men?
World War One.
Yeah,
One.
okay. So let me see. During the 1920s, the world war. Okay, so it means that undershirts for the American male did not look like the T-shirt we know today until after the First World War. Yes, okay. So it was in the
Yes.
First World War, World War One. When was the word T-shirt officially added to American English?
1920.
Here. So it was quite shocking to see 1950s. So it was
No, Mr. The during the 1920, the word T-shirt was added to the American dictionary.
good. Opening eyes, okay? Your eyes are open. Good. When actors wore just T-shirts in films in 1950s, many people were, mean,
Shocked.
they were shocked. I mean, they were surprised. Okay.
Yes.
Next,
During World War.
next. During the World War II, which branches of the American military were wearing T-shirts?
Army and Navy.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes, good, okay. Who was a movie star in the 1950s?
Marlon Brando.
I think so. Is there a name?
Yes, yeah, Mr. This screen fits
Here, yeah,
as
Mister.
Marlon
Here
Brando
is it.
and James Dean.
Mhm.
Um,
So James
what?
Dean is, so we will say
Yes.
Marlon Brando, yeah? Okay,
Yes,
so what
what?
is the traditional attire? Means traditional dress. Attire means a kind of dress, okay? For men to wear under a coat.
T-shirt.
Okay.
No. Dress shirt and tie.
Is there, it is mentioned, is there?
Yes, yeah, Mr. There is Go up, Mr. Maybe it's up.
No, no.
Wait, Mr. I see Mr. The board tie. Yeah.
See here, sports team. People wear a T-shirt that promotes their favorite rock band or sports team. So American wear a T-shirt advertising a brand. So here you come if you say the sport code. So you can say T-shirt, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Where's
So the next one is here. What's the problem with this guy?
I don't know. He left.
Yeah. Why he's entering again and again, leaving and coming back?
I don't know.
Yes, yes.
Why?
Okay. So
Why you?
okay, boys. So the next thing is particular.
Yeah.
Guys, listen to me. I have to do lots of stuff with you people in during this week.
Okay.
I have
Quickly.
to
Quickly.
finish revision worksheet 2 and 3. Okay, just
Okay.
just catch the main ideas. Okay, and then practice by yourself. If you feel any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, you may ask. Don't worry. Anytime you can ask me. So the next topic is participle. Okay. So what is a participle? Okay, so a participle is a word formed from a verb which can be used as an adjective. Interesting, yeah? So it is a
Yeah.
word, it has been formed from a verb, okay, and it is used as an adjective. Means we have this word, its basic structure is from a verb, okay, but we are using it as an adjective, okay. For example, we have two kinds of actually there are three kinds. Basically, there are three kinds of participles, but usually at this level, to your level, I mean grade 7 or that you can say middle level, we just uh, teach only the two kinds of participles like present participles and past participles, okay. So you can see in front of you there is an example. If we have ing, if we have ing at the end of the word, like here boring, the movie was boring, it's an ing here, it's a present participle, it's a present participle, okay. But if we have the words like ed, okay, like here you can see example bored, I was bored at the movie theater. Surprised, I was surprised when I heard the news. So if we have ing at the end, it is a present participle. But if we have ed at the end, it is a past participle. Is that clear to you?
But
Yes.
Mister, in the present was is past. It's not a present sentence.
No, no, it's not the present. I'm not talking about the present. I'm talking about the word. Okay, the word here, this word boring, is having an ing at the end. Okay.
Mister, it
Yes.
means that any word that ends with ed is past participle.
Not any word. Any word. Any word which is ending in ing and it is used as an adjective. Okay. If it is
Yes.
used as an adjective and it is ending in ing, then it is a present participle. Okay, but if it is ending in ing but it is not being used as an adjective, so, so it's not a present participle. Okay, do you have any problem with your mic?
What?
Your mic is so bad.
There is something. So tick 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 tick.
Yes.
Yes.
مايكي انا؟
Yes.
اي
Okay,
رقم
I'm
صوت
not myself.
Whoever is this, please stop, you're disturbing. Okay.
He's making.
Okay, so the word with ed here, adjectives often describe, you know what is the basic purpose of adjective? That describe the qualities about something or people, okay. And they often describe people's feeling as well. I feel bored. A boring movie however will make you feel bored, okay. So this is the basic idea that we have to use here. Use the correct participle adjective form in each of the sentences below. I don't understand, Jess. The rules are very
Confusing.
okay. He was embarrassed or embarrassing
Embarrassed.
when he
Embarrassed.
arrived at late, because keep the thing that if it's a past idea, arrived also, you know, It's also a kind of having a past participle. Okay. There is a new movie playing at the theater.
Interested.
Are you interested?
Interested?
Yes. Are you
My little
interested?
brother makes too much noise.
My little brother makes too much noise.
Annoying. He is
He's
annoying.
annoying.
Good. I like my
Like my nature is quite
right.
relaxing.
Relaxing.
Good. Good boy. Moving to a new home is a hard work. It is.
Tired.
Tired.
Ring.
Tired.
Tiring.
Yes. Good. Sad news made me depressed.
Depressed.
Okay. Lois got B plus mean grade. She was satisfied.
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 Okay, good. Our company isn't making any money. It's very worried or worrying.
Worried.
Worried.
It's very.
Worried.
It's not making any money, so it is very worrying situation. It's a present thing. Our company isn't making any money, so it's very worrying situation. Okay.
Uh,
So Robert thinks that a roller coaster are
terrifying.
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 okay. I think that insects are fascinated or fascinating.
Fascinating.
Good. I love to
Where is
study them.
Amr, ya mister? He
Yes.
is not talking.
When the
Don't take
TV
away.
program was cancelled, Callie was disappointed
Disappointed.
or disappointing.
Okay.
Disappointed.
Okay, good. So complete the task
Interested. Interest.
below with the correct
Exciting.
or ing. Okay,
Excited.
Excited.
Excited. Exciting.
Excited. Exciting. Interested. Interesting. Relaxed. Relaxing.
Easy. Easy.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Satisfying.
Satisfied.
okay,
Tired.
okay.
Tiring.
Miriam worked in a aid camp. She said it's tired but very happy.
Because we have to use the same words here also. Now use the adjectives from the chart above to complete the sentences. They can
Ah.
be repeated. They can be
She's-
repeated.
She said
Tired.
it's
Satisfied.
Mhm.
Tired and satisfied.
tired. I said tired. لا.
Miriam, okay, Miriam, we can say works in an aid camp. She says
It's tiring.
hmm,
It is tiring and satisfying.
tiring or relaxing or what?
Tired.
Tired.
Can be repeating, okay? Words can repeat.
If you are about climate change, why you do it? If you are
Interested.
worried, if you are worried about climate change, why not donate to charity?
Uh-huh.
Worry, yes يا مستر worried.
Okay,
إيش عمرو يا أخي أنت إيش فيك؟
okay.
Chill out, music is so
Relaxing.
Okay. Yeah, words can repeat. and
Boring.
they
Boring.
can
Boring.
be-
Boring.
Chill
لا
out.
it's just chill out يعني مثل
Chill
مبسوط.
out. Chill out means enjoy.
Yes, our teacher was so boring. No one was excited.
In his life.
Satisfied.
Come on, boys. Our teacher was so excited. No one was, bored in his lesson. No one was bored in his lesson. Come on, appreciate the
No, yes.
I
Okay.
am good at English, but I am so boring.
but I'm
Bored or boring.
Tired.
but I'm so tired.
So interesting.
Yeah, but I'm so tired of doing all these exams. Okay.
Kathleen was about going to concentrate. Was
Excited.
Anyhow, have you got the main basic idea, boys?
Yes.
Okay.
yes,
good.
Mr. Easy.
We will go ahead. Okay, the next exercise. Complete the sentences with an adjective from the book.
We have
All
to
these
get
words are
ready.
given: bored, boring, frightened,
Tired now.
Okay. So from
We
there,
had a
we
great
use the word.
friend.
Number one, tired. Number two, did you see that new horror film? I thought it was really
Too frightening.
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 Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, frightening. Yeah. Good.
حمس له. My
My,
brother.
my brother's quite a nervous person.
ليت
He
عمرو
bites
حرام عمرو don't talk
his
today.
nails when he is frightened.
When he is worried. Okay.
Frightened also.
Frightened also.
How you
Yes,
mister?
When
the
he
same meaning.
when he's
ده
frightened.
ده قلق وده خوف.
Okay.
Miranda
أنا
new
بسوي
job
لما
is
أقول
very
ليش لما أقول.
He's already a
tired.
nervous person.
Tiring. It's very tired.
Okay, fine. Go ahead. Next.
Number 5.
So interesting.
Number 5 or number 4?
Number 4. 4.
4 Miranda.
Interesting.
لا Miranda.
Miranda's new job
New
is
job is very
Relaxing.
Interesting.
what relaxing. إيش relaxing?
I
Interesting.
don't know.
Damn.
Interesting.
Tiring.
Wise, no. Is there
Tiring.
a tiring? Yeah, because she starts from 8 and even 7 o'clock in the evening. So it's really, huge working hours, long working hours. So it's a
You
tiring.
will bomb. You will
So,
be you will blow.
but if someone angry has
Are
attacked
you
him,
are you relaxing in jazz?
Are you interested in jazz?
Interested?
Yeah.
This book I am reading is so
exciting.
very exciting, interesting.
طيب.
That you
Hasn't.
I fall asleep before I finish a chapter. It's so interesting.
Relaxing.
No.
Relaxing.
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 Boring.
خلاص قبلك.
Relaxing or boring?
Boring يا مستر.
Boring.
It can be boring
Relaxing.
or it can be relaxing. Okay. Anyhow,
Okay.
that it may be.
Speaking.
Yeah, boys,
Or-
this is your speaking topic. Okay. What you have to do, look at it. You can take a screenshot. Okay, you can take a screenshot.
يعني what I have to do?
Screenshot. Wait. I'm going to take
Speaking.
screenshot. Take screenshots.
جالس ايش اسوي هون؟
What you have to do,
Screenshot.
boys, you have to record the speech. Okay, anyone on the topic. For example, you can talk about are cell phones safe for health? So you will talk about that cell phones are safe or not safe for your health. Okay, or you can talk about technologies lead to the end of the world or lead the world. So it's just a fun. Okay, so you can send me through WhatsApp. Okay, you can.
I should do it, mister.
Yeah. You should do. Everybody should do.
One of the
Yeah.
topics.
Any one of the topic. Okay. So you have to record your speech. It's really important. Okay. It's really important.
By which day, mister, you need it?
Send me during this week. Okay, before the exam starts.
I will try. If I
Don't try
Me
because
too.
it is a part of your
Me too.
oral exam.
There will be oral يا مستر how يا
This
مستر؟
is an oral exam.
This one.
Zoom.
Zoom.
أو واتساب
Serious?
حتى.
يعني يا
Okay,
مستر
boys.
يعني how I will send it to you.
Through
What
WhatsApp.
I do?
Okay.
يعني يا مستر I make a record and I talk.
Yeah. Whenever you
Talk,
talk
talk.
about, well, first of all, make notes about this topic, any one topic, make a note, okay? Then remember or memorize those notes, and then later on, okay, you have this week, during this week, send me, okay? But not more than this week, okay? During this week, send me students to record the speech, anyone, and send teachers to WhatsApp, okay?
Mister,
Yeah.
if I wrote the notes on a paper, can I record it from the paper or should I memorize it?
But the paper should not come in front in between your video, okay?
No, I will
Please,
in another place.
it should not look like that you are reading from a paper. I will come to know clearly that your paper is in front of you and you are reading from the paper. Okay?
And it's not allowed. Not allowed.
Yeah, of course. It's a kind of your own exam. Yeah? Okay, we move to our next. Is that clear to you, all of you?
Yes.
So,
Don't worry,
Yes.
don't worry. Okay, next we have we have very less time. Okay, boys, hurry up. Adjective phrases. Okay, so we have to remember the adjective phrase modifies a noun just like an adjective does. Okay, so please listen to me here. The adjective phrase modifies a noun just like an adjective does. Okay, so here, like the man with the glass eye winked at me. Okay, so the man
Glass eye.
glass eye. No, it's not only the one word, boys. I'm saying the adjective phrase modif just like an adjective. It's a kind of
It
whole
says
group of
glass eye.
words. Phrase means okay. The phrase means group of words. Okay, and if those group of words modify a noun, it becomes an adjective phrase. Okay. So in these sentences, you have to underline the adjective phrase. Her new purse was pretty expensive. So what purse was pretty expensive? So was pretty expensive is about what?
A new pair.
So if something, for example, was pretty expensive, is talking about her new purse. Okay. So the new purse is the noun, and these was pretty expensive. It's an adjective phrase. The group of words which modify a noun, group of words to gather all of them. When they modify a noun, it becomes an adjective phrase. Okay. So in these sentences, you have to underline the adjective phrase, like the women at the ticket window started to get up. The women, which women? At the ticket window. At the ticket window. So this is an adjective phrase. It is about the women because it is talking about the women, and the women is a noun. That's why. The cost of the car was too high. The cost of the car was too high. Okay. So what was too high?
The cost of the
So
car.
it is talking about the cow. The cost is also a noun, a kind of noun and a car. So this is how you will do all these exercises. Okay. Okay,
Oh,
boys.
okay.
And what is next? An
Yeah,
adverbial.
hey, Mr. How I will underline.
For example, he forgot about the books under the bed. Okay. He forgot about the books under the bed. The books are where?
Under the bed.
So what is the phrase under the bed here? It's an adjective phrase because it is talking about the books. Okay.
Okay.
That is how.
How I will underline it in the laptop.
Ah, okay. You can select this part and then you can go there to see. I am going to underline. See, and you
Control you.
Ah,
Control you.
okay.
Or Mr. You
Control
will
you.
kill her but you couldn't kill her.
Anyhow, we move to the next adverbial phrase. So in an adverbial phrase is a group of words that act together as an adverb, giving more information about a verb, adjective, or other adverb in a sentence. So the adverbial phrase answers the same questions as a regular adverb. How much, how, and when or where. So an adverbial phrase actually it's a group of words which act together as an adverb. Okay, giving more information about a verb, about an adjective, or about an other adverb. For example, here we expect our grandparents to arrive in about an hour. Okay, to arrive in about an hour.
About an hour.
This is
About
all this. It's an adverbial phrase. It's an adverbial phrase. Okay,
why, Mr.
because this all is talking about we expect our grandparents to arrive. Okay, for example, maybe so. Okay, in if we talk about this part only,
In about an hour.
yeah. So you can say this is an adverbial phrase. Okay, why? Because it is talking about the verb to arrive. If look at the definition, group of words that act together. Okay, as an adverb. Why it is adverb? Because it would be giving more information about what? About verb, about adjective, about another adverb. That's why. Okay. Or it is also talking about. It may be also talking about the the thing words like how much and how and when or where. Okay. So all these, for example, my cousin watches television almost as much as you do. So my cousin watches television almost as much as you do. So as much as you do is talking about almost as much as you do is talking about watching television. Yeah. So watching television, it's a verb. So all these words together adding more information to the verb. So it becomes an adverbial phrase. Okay, boys.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's how in all these examples you will do. All these examples are talking about all. I will repeat with you, don't worry, okay? But just go through because it's really easy thing. You can do it easily. Okay, boys. Then we have reported speech, and this we have already finished in the classroom. This topic, okay? Reported speech. So what you have to do, you have to change the sentences from direct speech into indirect speech. Like the captain said, for example, this is an occasion to celebrate. The captain said that this was the occasion to celebrate. As I have told you, to remove the double quotes, we have to add that, and then if it's a said, we have to change the tense as well. So will change according to the tense. Okay, so we if there is a present tense, we change into past. If continuous, will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. And if there is past indefinite already inside, go through the reported speech formula in your grammar book. Okay, boys. There are
Okay.
exercises,
Okay.
and
Okay.
I have given you the worksheets as well, if you remember. Okay, I have already given you the worksheets as well regarding the reported speech. So please go through that. With the reported speech, the pattern is the following. Simple present becomes past simple. Future tenses becomes conditional. Present continuous becomes past continuous. Present perfect becomes past perfect. And we say commands like come becomes infinitive like to come. So we change come into to come. Okay. We change here into there. Okay. And there are some, we change pronoun, we change tenses. This is how all these things. Okay, boys. So go through
Yes.
all
Okay.
these exercises about uh, okay, and this is a reading comprehension. This is reading comprehension.
Okay. Easy.
Yeah, you read and answer the question. Okay, boys. So please go through this. If you find anything, I am going to upload. I have already uploaded in the office system the worksheets. Okay, so you can download from there. Okay, boys.
Okay.
I hope all of you have understood. Okay, and then who are present today? Let me take a screenshot.
Only me, Amr, just Abdullah. Four. And
Okay.
Amr, I don't hear him. He is not talking.
Stop this
Allah
recording.
Yahdi.
Okay. So okay, boys, take care. And I'm saying that I'm going to send a quiz in the group tomorrow. Okay, a link
Inshallah.
for your
Inshallah.
practice. Take care. Take care, boys.
Thank you.